The apron feeder conveyor is specially designed for large blocks of materials in open-pit mines. It is mainly used in silos and below hoppers, with certain pressure, for the short distance, uniform and continuous transportation of various materials with high bulk density to primary crushing, screening and conveying equipment. It adopts tank-type track chains, which are highly durable and resistant to wear, and can withstand direct impact from large pieces of material. The apron feeder conveyor delivers material evenly and accurately. It can be installed horizontally or at a maximum inclination of 16 and can easily convey materials of is less than or equal to 1,500 mm uniformly to the mineral separator. It is a reliable choice for harsh working conditions.